Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video today. Today's video, we're going to talk about how I was able to make over $4,000 in one day on straight autopilot. I have this beautiful program I want to share with you of how you can dig into the training and get trained up for you can go ahead and have results in your business, but results are not typical. But I'm going to show you the steps of how I began the journey of making $4,000 in one day. So if this is your first time here at this channel or this video, go ahead and hit this red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and it's time to go ahead and show you the results, the program, and how I was able to make over $4,000 in one day on straight autopilot by following some simple steps that you can get started today. Now, as you see here, you see the sales leaderboard with the Super Affiliate Network. That's the name of the company of how I was able to achieve that. Now, results are not typical, and yes, you do need to go through a training program to just get started completely. So down below this video, you can click on the link to go ahead and get started of how you can go ahead and start building your own online business and start getting your results as soon as humanly possible. So right now you see here that I'm #1 in monthly sales for the month, and also daily sales, I'm #1 as well. So those are the results right here, #1 and #1. So I just want to go ahead and show you exactly that what I'm talking about, that yes, you can have results if you dive into the training, and yes, understanding that it is a marathon, not a sprint. So let me go ahead and show you the results there. And then let me show you also the proof. So here, I was able to make $4,000, $975.90 in one day. You can actually see it here. It says yesterday, but it really was today actually. So it's actually showing you, I even put in the date. Let me put in the date. So today is the 10th. I'm going to literally put in the date just to kind of show you exactly what I'm talking about, because I want to be transparent with you. So this is the date. It is December 10th, 2019. I'm going to go ahead and click on that link here, and you're going to see the date, and you'll see literally the earnings of $4,975.90 with this program just by starting from the beginning. So right below this video, you'll go ahead and get started. You'll put your email address in there and you'll go ahead and sign up. You'll watch a short video and you'll go ahead and sign up and dive into the training. So when you go ahead and sign up, let me tell you what you'll do. You'll start right here. And let me tell you about a little bit of Super Affiliate Network. Super Affiliate Network is a digital marketing online training program that teaches you marketing skills, business skills, mindset skills to go ahead and start building an online business for you and your legacy. That's how I got signed up. I wanted to build an online business. I wanted to get results. I wanted to get that excellent training. And they have a beautiful profit boosting boot camp that you can go ahead and get started. So when you go ahead and get started by clicking on the link below this video, is my #1 recommendation of starting an online business. You'll go ahead and put your email address in there. Then you'll watch a short video. After you watch that short video, you'll go ahead and sign up. After that, you'll be assigned an advisor for you to go ahead and get started with the training. Right. Go through all the training. Don't skip any of that. If you want results in your business, you must follow the directions of the advisors and your coaches that's telling you. So that's what I did. Now, results are not typical. I'm not saying you'll make this amount. I'm not saying that, but I am telling you it is possible. So you'll go ahead, you'll watch this boot camp video. After you want that boot camp video, you'll be assigned to go to the next steps of the modules, right? So the modules are really, really good. Super Affiliate Network is one of the best programs out there to teach you skill sets of building an online business in affiliate marketing, network marketing, in digital marketing, right? We really teach you. There's 16 modules. You go from 1 to 16. Let me go back over here. I'm going to show you one of the modules here in a few minutes. Let me go ahead and show you, because I want to show you the results first, and then I want to show you how you can get started. So here, let me go ahead and go to the module. So you go to module 1. You see that? Phase 1, module 1. And when you get signed up below this video, when you sign up, your advisor will get you the steps and give you the information how to get started. And it's really, really simple to get started. And I want you to get started today. So you'll go ahead and start on module 1, which is strategies versus tactics, which is one of my favorite modules in this entire program because it basically gives you the groundwork and the foundation of how to lay your groundwork, your business, your mindset. It kind of gets you that feeling like, okay, this is how business works. I do need to understand how to grow it, but I need to understand what a strategy versus a tactics, a plan versus just an action, right? That's a good way of explaining a plan versus just going. So you definitely want to understand the difference of that. You got module 2 that talks about the 5 pillars to a profitable online business. That's important too. And also the millionaire mind and subconscious phenom. You definitely want to go ahead and look at that as well. But you want to watch all the modules to get the understanding of how to build a business, and you'll go ahead and get started today. So click on the link below this video. You'll go ahead and get signed up and watch a short video, and then you'll be assigned an advisor. When you go ahead and sign up, I want you to go through all the modules, and then you'll start your business. So I'm just showing you what could happen. Yes, you can make money online, but you definitely need to go ahead and go through the training and the steps. And once again, results are not typical in terms of any type of action, but I'm showing you that it is possible. It is possible to go ahead and do that. So click on the link below to get started, and I'll see you on the next video.